Good evening, everyone. Mohammed Saddam here. Welcome to one more in-depth analysis on Bank Nifty Expiry Special. That is all about the discussion in tomorrow's expiry. Good evening, everyone. Mohammed Saddam here. So please go through the disclaimer part and so stock Phoenix. So this is myself, Mohammed Saddam, engineering graduate and switch over to the financial markets, where I'm a professional trader, investor, and mentor with a total experience of over 6 years in this domain. So coming to the topic, Bank Nifty Index, which is specially designed to track the banking sector, which compromises stocks having the highest market capitalization. So when we discuss about the weightage of stocks, here HDFC Bank contributing with 26.30%, ICICI Bank contributing 24.67%, State Bank of India having 11.03%, Axis Bank 12%, and Kotak Mahindra Bank having 10.63% of weightage in the banking sector. So let me use the TradingView platform. So this is the TradingView platform, and well, before going to discuss about tomorrow's expiry special, so let's recap the thing what happened in the previous sessions, whatever we studied. So previously, the last week of Wednesday, so this is the support zone which we expected that below the range we expected the bearish trend. So same thing happened in this case. So on closing below this support line, you can see the bearish move which happened. So this is the strong support zone which didn't hold the levels, and further bearish trend continued in this side, which dragged towards the previous swing zones. So this is the area which we expected finally that Bank Nifty gonna drag. And from then, as per the discussions, it happened, it triggered our support line, and from then you can see once again it went for the consolidation range for a while, and this is what happened in the couple of days. So it opened the gap up in today's session but unable to manage hold. So from then it started dragging, and this is a huge fall in today's session due to some news COVID effect. So let's discuss what we can expect in Bank Nifty in tomorrow's session. So let me check on a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, you can see a large bearish candle which formed in today's session, which closed negative minus 740 points lost in today's session. So previously you can see the bullish candle. So you can see in today's session it closed negative based. So let me use the Fibonacci level for this, and this is the high and this is the low from 40,833 range. Let me check with the exact values. So here it is. So 40,819 range, the rally started, and then you can see the rally of this. So straight rally has been seen in this case, which from last 5 days the Bank Nifty is just suffocating to go further highs. So previously it has taken the consolidation range around this place. So this is the consolidation range which earlier it has taken strongly, and in today's session it has broken this consolidation support zone. As per the Fibonacci ratio level, you can see the 50% ratio which triggered in today's session. The levels which we can expect in tomorrow's session as per the daily time frame, today it took the support and retraced from the levels around 42,000 levels. So of course it's based upon the news, so forget about the news. So let's talk about the technicals, and here it is. So once again there is some consolidation strong area zone which we can expect around this place. So let me go back to the 15 minutes time frame. So on a 15 minutes time frame, can we see any trend in this? No, right? So let me go with a little higher time frame on a hourly time frame. Can you see any trend in this? So the fall consolidation, and you can see the back-to-back red candles, and well, on a hourly time frame, let me remove the drawings and let's go with a little higher time frame. So let me come back to the daily time frame. So in tomorrow's session, so let me use the Fibonacci. So today what happened, it recovered by testing 42,485 zones. One stage it made a low of 42,363 range, which on breaking this important key level, that is 50 percentage, it went down for the 100 points, and of course it recovered more than 300 points in this case. So in tomorrow's session, if you are looking for the bank nifty studies, so based on the Fibonacci level, we can expect this may take this reversal around 42,485 range, and on reversal, so there is a chance that it may once again rally towards 42,870 levels. Clear? So first possibility in this case can be the pullback levels expected around 42,485 range. So this is the key level which we can expect for the reversal. On reversal, we can expect once again 42,878 range. On other side, only closing below this range on a 15 minutes time frame. So keep in mind, if you are looking for 2 trading sessions or 3 trading sessions, so the discussion whatever going to happen in today's session will be valid till towards the next Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and till Wednesday. So this will be valid for the next week. So what we can do is we'll be looking for a 15 minutes time frame. So let me lower time frame visibility, so on a minutes, on hours, and of course on a seconds. So on a 15 minutes time frame, by using the Fibonacci ratio, so the important level as per the discussion, we are expecting the reversal around this place. Anything closing below this on a 15 minutes time frame, that is 42,485 range, we can expect bears can attack once again in bank nifty, which is expected to drop till towards 42,090 range in the coming days, and this may gives the next pullback levels which we can expect in this counter, as the 61.80 percentage, that one is one of the important key level which we can expect. So on this successful reversal, so once again there is a chance the bank nifty may rally till towards 42,480 range in coming days. So by using on a daily time frame, we draw on the Fibonacci level, and by looking to the 15 minutes time frame, we will be waiting for the 15 minutes closing candle, whether it takes the reversal or it closes below the range. On this successful reversal from the levels, we can expect this may reach once again towards 42,870 range, followed by on sustaining above the range. Furthermore, we can expect the trend may continue, which is expected to rally once again towards 43,365 range in coming days, right? Well, hold on a minute please. Well, if we discuss the supportive stocks, there is the weighted stocks, HDFC Bank. So let me check with HDFC Bank, and here it is. So as per the discussion in the last week, So we expected it may take the support and bounce back, but unluckily HDFC Bank didn't give any further upper side movement, which is holding this level strongly. And in today's session it closed negatively minus 15 points, which is expected to turn for the bearish side, as it is having the strong resistance. It is unable to sustain the range. So once again we can expect this may drop. So this is the resistance zone. So let me redraw the lines without any confusion. So let's draw the fresh studies for this. So here, so this is the resistance zone which the stock is having. So the strong resistance zone. So in today's session it managed to close below this line, and the support line, you can see the support zone here, so which it is under consolidation range. And furthermore we'll be waiting for the one more confirmation candle as per the support line, the closing, the breaking below this support range. We can expect the bears can start attacking in this counter, which is possible to drop till towards the range around 1540 range. So you can see the previous swing zone which is having around this place 1540 range. And important thing is the stock, it is having the gap around this place. So there is a chance that if it start falling from the support area, for surely the stock may fill this gap which is having around 1530-40 range in coming days. And anything positive can be seen only above this trend line. On breaking and sustaining above this range, we can expect the stock may start performing, and once again we can expect the rally may start in this counter, which is expected to continue further highs in this counter for coming days. So tomorrow to watch out the key levels on breaking this support line. So further the bank nifty gonna have a more pain in this, as it is very near towards the support levels. So tomorrow it will be very interesting for us. So it will be interesting expiry. And State Bank of India, ICICI Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank. So before that ICICI Bank, here it is. So as per the last week discussion, so the stock, we expected the reversal which is possible to reject around this place, but it didn't look back. So stock, it continued falling downside, and you can see the moment of this low high low high. So it is clearly continued the bearish trend in this counter, which made lower lows lower highs only on interception zone. So this is the interception zone where it happened. So you can see the intersection zone at this place. So from then it reversed, and once again it started falling in today's session. So let me clear the drawings and let's do the fresh studies in this counter. So HDFC Bank on a daily time frame, well, so it has broken the support levels as well in today's session. So this is the support zone. Okay, it didn't broke the support, so it tried to break the support, but in tomorrow's session, by any chance on breaking this support line on a 15 minutes time frame, so this is the zone which it reversed in today's session. So according to the previous swing zone, stock, it reversed couple of times. So this is the zone which it recovered earlier. So once again we can expect the reversal, as it is falling from 960 range low high, and once again it is at the support zone. So we can expect this on a 15 minutes time frame, it start reversal. So you can look on a 15 minutes time frame. So this is the green candle which managed to close above the support line. So in tomorrow's session, if this holds this level, so there is a chance that once again this may pull back towards 896 to 896 to 98 levels. So this is the immediate resistance levels which may act, and furthermore only sustaining above this place, there is a high chance that this may continue the rally, which is expected to continue till towards 910. So this further acts as the next immediate strong resistance as per the 15 minutes time frame. So just key levels to watch out: if this holds this support line and sustains above this 898 range, we can expect the trend may continue till towards 910 levels. Only closing below this support line, if it closes below the support line, once again stock may drop further, which is expected to take the support only around this place. So stock, it is having the next support levels. So this is the next support levels which we can expect in coming days, that is 850 rupees on positional based. So the key levels to watch out for tomorrow's session, whether the stock holds this support line or else breaks the support line. If it sustains, the stock may rally till towards 898 range. Closing further above the levels, the stock may continue the rally, which is expected to reach towards 910 levels in coming days. Right? So let's look towards another weighted stock which is contributing. So State Bank of India. So this is the stock which is contributing. So you can see the contribution of this 11.03%. So the most important weighted stocks, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank to monitor, and of course followed by State Bank of India, Axis Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank. So coming back, so State Bank of India. So what happened in this counter? So previously on a hourly time frame, so we expected if it sustains, there is a chance to make new highs, but unluckily it has broken. So as per the discussion, it closed below this key level. So from then you can see the downfall which happened, and breaking further around 610 levels, stock continued further making new lows. So let's do the fresh studies in this counter. Let me clear the drawings and let me go with a little higher time frame on a daily time frame and a hourly time frame and daily time frame. So here it is. And so as for the daily time frame, the key important level to watch based on the Fibonacci level, that is 38.20%, which may reverse around 587, and below that 574 range. So after back-to-back red candles, stock formed a muted range, and today it has broken this level as well. And so the next reversal as per the Fibonacci level, and if you check the support line, so stock, there is a high chance to drop till towards this area. So we can expect a 50% levels may be important in this counter. So we can expect the stock may take the support this line, and once again may pull back towards 600 in coming days. So keep in mind, go with a 15 minutes time frame once you draw the Fibonacci level on a daily time frame. So closing below 587, the stock, it is having the strong support zone, which is the previous swing zone. So we can consider 574 as a pullback zone. So keep focusing this stock for the reversal. So on this reversal, we can expect the stock may rally once again towards 587 followed by 600 for the coming days. Clear? And one more stock to discuss for the day, Kotak Mahindra Bank followed by Axis Bank. So Kotak Mahindra Bank on a hourly time frame, as per the discussion, we expected if it sustains above this place, the rally gonna start, but unluckily stock didn't even kiss the levels. So it continued the bearish trend, and you can see what happened in this counter. So if I enlarge this line, it clearly respected this trend line and followed the continued downside levels. right? So if you discuss about the fresh views in this, so let me clear the lines and let me look for the daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, you can see the continuous downfall and a large candle which formed in today's session, which is -2% below the range. So we can expect this by using, so this is the support line, but apart from this, let's use the Fibo level. So this is the level which made a low, and so this is based on the Fibonacci. So I just drawn by using the Fibonacci tool. So we got the levels. So 78.60% in today's session it touched on dot, that is 1809 rupees, and it recovered by 5 points. So in tomorrow's session, so once again key levels to monitor. If stocks holds this key level, that is the important level, once again it is expected to rally till towards 1849 range, and closing only below 1809 levels, there is a chance that stock may slide towards 1785 range. And the important levels to watch out, that is for the reversal, one more thing is 1757 range for the coming days, because if there is any chance of downtrend in the bank nifty, if there is any global negative cues, we can expect the Kotak Mahindra can drop till towards 1757 range in coming days. So the important key level to watch in tomorrow's levels, that is 1809 range. On pullback above this range, we can see 1849 followed by 1877 in coming days. And one more important stock to discuss, Axis Bank, which is contributing good weightage. So Axis Bank on a 15 minutes time frame. So you can see what happened in today's session, a straight fall which opened the gap up in today's session. And you can see the discussion what happened in the last week. And so last week, whatever the discussion happened, it holded the levels, and once only breaking this support zone, we expected the bearish trend, but the stock it recovered by holding these key levels, and once on sustaining above this resistance zone, stock, you can see the movement of this, it continued upper side. So this is the way it rallied from the last 5 days. So let me clear the drawings and let's do the fresh studies in Axis Bank for tomorrow's expiry. So Axis Bank, even Axis Bank looking the rejection at resistance levels, so which is having the strong resistance zone at this place. So you can see from last 7 to 8 trading sessions, stock is under consolidation range, which is trading in between 920 in between 958 range. So stock is running in between 40 points from last 10 days. So what we can expect in this counter? So do we expect any further downtrend in this, or else we can expect any pullback levels? So based on the Fibonacci tool, we just drawn from the range of 840, which rejected recently. So the rejection value is around 958 and the swing is 841. So it started rejection. So based on the Fibonacci tool, so anything closing 930 on a 15 minutes time frame, we can expect the stock may drop towards 913 range. If you are looking for the pullback levels, just go with a 15 minutes time frame. So if stock breaks this on a 15 minutes time frame, if it closes below this 930 range, so the next pullback levels can be 913, that is one more important key level, 38.20%. So if stock breaks and closes below on a 15 minutes time frame, we can expect the stock may drop till towards 913 range. And furthermore, we'll be looking for the reversal. On successful reversal with a 15 minutes green bullish candle, we can expect once again 930 range. And a question from Mr. Sachin. So how Nifty 18250 CE for tomorrow? So Mr. Sachin, in the comment section, So he mentioned about the C whatever he's having. So he is expecting some recovery in index, that is 18,250. And before going the nifty discussion, yes, we can discuss. So if you have any comments, you can please comment in the chat box. We can discuss. And Axis Bank, so this is the key level to achieve, that is 930 range. So closing below, stock may slide towards 913 range, and on reversal at this area, once again we can expect 930 followed by 943 for coming days. And if the bearish trend continues, we can further expect the stock may drop till towards 899 for the coming days, as it continued the good uptrend recently. So we can expect some profit booking in this. So just draw the lines based on the daily time frame and look with a 15 minutes time frame for the next momentum if you are looking for some action, right? So coming back, and if you want to get any support from our end, we'll be much active in our Telegram. You can text @STP SADDAM. If you want to get support from our team, you can text in the WhatsApp number, that is 9100825235. We will be helpful for you by using the charts. We can share the ideas, we can share the studies, whatever it is, the stock analysis or index analysis. So we are always will be ready to help you guys. So just save the number, and if you have any doubts, you can text us in a Telegram and WhatsApp as well, so we can guide you. So that is all about in today's session. So let's see what happens in tomorrow's session, and we'll meet up in the coming week, that is on Wednesday, shortly post market hours. So till then, bye bye.